Wow, I just want to say, first of all, I want to say thank you for having me. You guys don't understand how important the work that's being done here is. I'm a little nervous because, this is something, awards are great, but this is something that really means something, and it's something that really means something to me. And so I'm gonna make it short. I'm gonna make it sweet, but, I was talking to Uza actually just a little break here. We were just talking about things. She was saying, thank you for what you do, and I was just like, are you kidding me? Thank you for what you do, right? I wanna I mean she was but something she said, it's rare that there's a place where young people can speak, have voice, and people will actually listen. And I think that kind of struck a chord with me because I'm a young person, right? And I'm a young person with a lot of followers. And I always say that I would much rather be known for the constant of my character and the kind of person I am than the last project that I did, or the last movie that I did, or the last music that I put out. And I think it's important what I've learned, and being here tonight is so special to me. I'm around like-minded people and like-minded young people. You know what I'm saying? Like around my peers, young people like both of yourselves, who are so courageous and beautiful in your own way, and are not afraid to be exactly who you are, and that is so beautiful. And also, to know your purpose, to know who you are at such a young age is hard and it's difficult. And I'm lucky to be around people like this who have found it within themselves and continue to live the truth every single day. I've learned that like my purpose, I think, is I have this platform, right? I have this platform that I'm standing on. And sometimes when you get there, you realize that your purpose is not to stand on it anymore, but to get off and let somebody else stand on it. So that's what I want to continue to do and continue to push. And every student that here, I just want you to know that I admire you. You know what I mean? This award is really for us, right? Because we are the game changer. We are the ones who are literally changing the game. We were not playing, okay, it's not a game with these millennials, alright? And we are here to stay, and we're gonna change the game. And I think that that's so powerful. We're the ones we're going to, and I've said it over and over again. It's overused, but we are the future. We are the future leader of the world. We are the ones who are gonna make it this world a better place. And I said it that day. I'm gonna say it again, but it's true. Please understand the power of your voice. Please understand that you have the capacity to literally change the world. And I know that's a lot of pressure. And trust me, I feel it too. Sometimes, I put it on Instagram or whatever. I'll speak out and whatever. And I get hit with all the things. And I'm like, damn, should I post that? And I'm like, yes, absolutely, should I have? Absolutely, I should have. So do not let other people's, I guess you could say, insecurities, and do not let the peer cause fear and allow that to silence you. Never allow that peer to silence you. Continue to be outspoken, continue to believe and live in your truth, and do exactly what you're meant to do. And so, honestly, I'm just here to say that I appreciate you, and I thank you and everybody in this room for continue not to only cultivate those young minds, but but give us a platform and space to speak and listen. So thank you for your respect. Thank you for your constantly respecting these young people, and let's continue to make some change and change the game, all right. I'm so nervous right now. First of all, thank you, Yara. She is, the future. She's a young woman who is educated. She's beautiful, she's smart. So thank you, and I can't wait for you to begin this. Wow, what a room, with a room to be in. There's not much I can say, but thank you for allowing to be here amongst you. In your presence, thank you. First of all, this is not about me. This is about you. This is This is about thanking you for showing me that my life matters. Thank you for showing me what strength means. Thank you for paving the way for us, for showing us that we are worth it, that we are proud and it is okay to be proud of who we are. For our bodies, of the way we look, the way we feel, it's beautiful and now it's such pivotal time in our history. Such a pivotal crazy time and I want you to know, all you ladies up there, you are leaders. We are the future. We need you. We need every single one of you in this room. We need it. You are needed to step up to the play right here, right now, and let your voice be heard. This is the time, so please continue to do so. I appreciate you. I love you. I thank you. I support you. I'm with you. We are all with you in this room tonight. So thank you for everything. Thank you to do. Thank you for allowing to me to be here. And there's nothing else I can say but thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So I love you, two women. Thank you so much. This is an absolutely honor. I'm incredibly grateful to be up here in front of you. You beautiful, beautiful people tonight. One of the year that's kind of crazy considering that I am 23 years old. I'm just figuring out how to become a young woman myself. And I'm figuring it out as I go. And to be here tonight, thank you so much. And thank you, GQ, for having me here. Yeah, I don't know. I don't really know really what to say. It's a huge honor. I feel like sometimes I go and I go and I go, and I think a lot of us can relate to me, but you go so hard and sometimes you forget just kind of stop and take in a moment like this. Somebody earlier, I feel like I work so much. I forget about life and to actually be present in this kind of moments where you can look around the room amongst people that you appreciate and just like take it in, and just be happy, just be alive for a second. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just like take a second, look around, be like, holy shit, this is happening, pretty cool, you know. So thank you guys so much, and thank you in a way for allowing me to use my art form to connect people and to hopefully make a positive impact in their life. And please, everyone, tonight, enjoy, look around, and have a beautiful night. And take in a moment.